So if you're watching this video, it's probably because you spoke with Ferry over the phone. So this is kind of her follow-up email. You can see Ferry here. She's part of the team here at ENS. And what we do is digital signage. So we make the little computers that go behind big screens. But we've been coming up with this technology here we want to show off where you can interact from any computer to any other browser. It sounds weird, but watch this. So here's an example of some artwork. And down below is a QR code. So everybody here on the team, you want to grab that QR code. So now everybody's pretty familiar with what a QR code is, right, in the world. So I've got a QR scanner on my phone. They've got QR scanners on their phones. And I'm in Canada. They're over in the Philippines. And what I'm going to do is grab the QR code. You're doing the same?
Yep.
Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so we all have the QR code. So let's play with this content up above, okay? What I'd like to do is, first of all, I'm going to refresh the page there. See the content. Okay. So under images there, Ferry, can you show me the first couple of images? See that? Click on them. We'll click on image 1, 2, 3, and watch what happens to my screen here. It's that fast. So she's on the other side of the planet and she's changing the artwork that I'm seeing on this browser session. So we want to donate this out to artists, and we want to donate this out to art galleries, because we just think it's cool. I mean, how cool is that? You could be able to, you don't need any hardware from us. This is just in a browser. We'll show you how you can do this on any screen. It's real-time interactive. So you put a QR code beside the screen and you can do this. And so there's no learning curve by the client. Okay, I'm going to fight with everybody. I want picture number 1, picture number 2. Cool. Okay, so you go back to picture number 1. Okay, so this is multi-user. So you could have 10 people all working on the QR code and interacting with the art. We think that's cool, so we want to just give it out to society and see where people use it, and it's so cool. So that's your follow-up video, Ferry. You want to put this on a page where they can play with it as well. So anybody watching this video, just look up, there's a QR code, and we'll put some content farther above, and you can play with it as well. Super cool. So we're donating this to society, to artists, and to art galleries. Thank you.